This machine with the Okuma OSP-E100L, we're going to try to run the program in auto mode with the door open, the shocks open, and see what it does, and to show you how to troubleshoot that condition. So let's hit cycle start. And now we have the alarm 1770 code 4. This is the code. So if we press information, it's gonna open the help. And here the help says that the code number 4 is turret indexing. We were trying to rotate the turret but with the door open. But there are some more alarms that you can see hidden magma going through troubleshooting info option F4. Here in NC status, you can see we have the alarm just triggered. Let's quit from here and let's go through the history. And in the history, we have triggered the alarm 1770, but at the same time we had also triggered, or the CNC has triggered the alarm 4711. So if we press inputs right there, it's gonna open the help for that alarm. And here it says that the spindle was not ready to start in the condition that we were trying to do it. Depending the cycle or the scan, it can trigger also the alarm 1741 code 1. Let's hit that, and it says that we were trying to rotate the spindle or run the spindle with the chucks open. Okay, so then with that information you can go through the PLC and option number 12. One more, there you go, and diagnose or look for the alarm here and diagnose the condition. Okay, thank you.